So we're going to the biggest week in American birding. This is actually a bit past the week of biggest week in American birding. I got a lot of great photos from the event, and I have a little bit of video from the event. But there's still a lot of warblers out there, so we're just going back today to photograph some of them. And yeah, I'll show the photos from a couple weeks ago when it was the biggest week in American birding. And right now we're just going to the birding event. So I've got the 70 to 300 lens on a D810 with a battery pack. So we'll see what types of warblers we can find.
Stars are bright, I call you up just to hear your voice on the machine. Nothing will be like it was, but you will always be my first choice. Just as
So it seems like there's some magnolias and other stuff, and we also saw a turtle on the boardwalk, so that was pretty interesting. And now we're gonna make our way back down the trail, and we've gotten quite a bit of photos now. So the lighting is. Huh? What is it?
Oh, it's magnolia.
So the lighting is starting to get a bit challenging because of now it's kind of just partly cloudy, scattered clouds and stuff like that. The weather's gotten really nice, and looks like a lot of the birds have shifted to further down the boardwalk instead of towards this end, so now we're going back in the direction we came, which is also good because you want the sun behind your back when you're photographing birds. So I got a really nice photo of a prothonotary, Terry. I'm not sure how you say it, but I've seen 3 of them, and now we see something over here. The lighting conditions are usually really complicated. You've got this really bright light and this dark light. So what I do is I set my shutter speed, or not my shutter speed, my ISO to like 1000. And then everything's manual, and I just use my shutter speed. So that's the setting that I mainly change. It's kind of hard to change around the ISO a lot. So we photographed a couple more birds, and status on that turtle is that it's still there, and there's also a snake. So we've gone down to one end of the boardwalk. Now we're going to walk along the parking lot back to our car. I think I've gotten like 15 keeper shots today. It's been pretty crazy. It's actually been better than a lot of the days during the biggest week in American birding. So yeah. That is crazy. So to sum everything up, today has been one of the best days for photographing birds, and this is a week after the biggest week in American birding just ended. And I also got a nice keeper photo of a prothonotary warbler eating a bug, so that was really nice. That was something that I wanted to get. So hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next one.